So far we have worked on the Weather Observation Station 10. In this video we will go over the Weather Observation Station 11 and the Weather Observation Station 12. Okay, let's jump right in. So I'm going to change this to MySQL. Okay, so they want us to query a list of city names from the database station that either do not start with vowels or do not end with vowels. No duplicates. Okay, so select from where. We are selecting a city name, so we see the column is called city. So city from the table station, where I guess we don't need where. No, excuse me, we do need where. Um, we need distinct here since we want no duplicates. And here we're going to say do not start with vowels or do not end with vowels. So the way that I like to do this is I like to use lower. So we're going to pass all the city names, make it lower, and then we're going to say um, like, sorry, I'm going to say not like, and then we will say we're going to start with does not start with vowels. So I'm going to do A, here we go, and we will continue this. Here we go, IOU, so A, E, I, O, U. And one thing we must not forget, it's the quotes. And I added double quotes, but I will go back. And it does that because sometimes when you add the quotes, it tries to be smart and it adds two. So just something to watch out for. What's wrong? Okay, there we go. So we're saying give us all the city names from stations where pass in city, make it lower, not like A, E, I, O, U, and we're putting the wildcard right after. And the reason why we're making this lower is because it just makes it easier for me. Just in case the first letter is not capitalized or is capitalized, we'll just make it not capitalized, and we'll compare it to these not capitalized letters. So then here, since it says does not start with vowels or does not end with vowels, we're going to say or, and we'll do this all over again. A, E, I, O, U, semicolon to end it. A, E, I, O, U, and then we're going to switch the wildcard. So here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, so give us all the city names from stations where lowercase city does not start with A, E, I, O, U, or A, E, I, O, U doesn't end. I will add parentheses around these just for my sake. And let's run it. Fingers crossed. Uh-oh, did not work. So it says line 9. Oh, well, there's a couple issues here. Issue number 1 is here. Oh, sorry. This is part of the first parentheses. Issue is that we completely forgot the ends. So We will attach them. And so now we're saying all these conditions must be true in this section, or if it matches any of these, then give us the results. Or if it doesn't match it, not like. So this should work now. Perfect, works. So we're going to submit the code. That was a silly mistake, but it just shows you. It's important to always keep in mind that we're following the syntax and we're adding all the ands and the ors when we need to. Okay, so now we'll jump into weather observation station 12. Change this back to MySQL, erase this. All right, so it wants a list of city names from stations. Since it's similar, I will copy over this code. So this one wants a list of city names from stations that do not start with vowels and do not end with vowels. So city, station, this requires just this small adjustment. Now, both these sections must be true for it to not be included. Let's run it. And that's correct. We're going to submit it. And it's perfect. So now the list will include everything except what ends with a vowel and starts with a vowel. I'm going to try to download this, see the full results. Here we go. So as we see, this does match our condition. Perfect. So now we have finished observation station 12, and now next video we'll begin the other ones, so higher than 75 mark and employee names. Awesome. Thank you.